Welcome to the next part. Today we are starting obstetrics and gynecology chapter. Then we start from question number first. Which of the following should choice of treatment for a lady who is mother of two children and suffering from profuse pervaginal bleeding at the time of climacteric sonography revealing fibroid uterus? The answer is fibroid treatment of fibroid. Then next question. Which one of the following is the commonest cause of abortion in a third trimester? Chronic material illness. Then question number 3. Aphthous patches in vagina are found in. आप इसमें अपना दिमाग लगा सकते हैं. Question number 4. During antenatal checkup, the expected mother is identified as a high risk candidate as she is suffering from hypertension and nephritis. Then question number 5. Which of the among the following the most common type of ectopic pregnancy? It's a tubal pregnancy. Next question. If the growth of fetus does not correlate with the period of amenorrhea, the medicine prescribed should be scalic core. Then question number 7. Match the column. Character of vagina discharge leukorrhea and list 2 is pathology. The right answer is A. Irritating discharge, candid albinous infection, yellow discharge, bacterial infection, offensive discharge, cervix, blood stain discharge, estrogen deficiency. Then question number 8. The complication of the third stage of labor is caused by retained placenta. Then question number 9. Hydratic form mole is principally a disease of chorion. Then question number 10. Which of the following is the commonest cause of PPH? Retained placenta. Then question number 11. Consider the following cause of hirsutism in female. Which of the cause we given above correct? First, second, and third. Polycystic ovaries, adrenal hyperplasia, and familial. Next question, question number 12. Consider the following feature. Which of the above feature point out with the menopausal syndrome? First answer is A. What we got? Rise of FSH level, rise of LH level, and third one is hot flush and night sweat. Then question number 13. Endometrial cancer most commonly present as abdominal vaginal bleeding. Then question number 14. Which of the following is the most common type of ovarian malignancy? Serous cyst, cystadenocarcinoma. Cystadenocarcinoma. Then question number 15. Which of the following is the most common type of tubal pregnancy in fallopian tube is ampulla. Then question number 16. Which of the following cause of carcinoma of cervix? Papvirus. Then question number 17. Which of the following may caused in infant because of deficiency of folic acid during first trimester of pregnancy? Is spina bifida, encephaly, or encephalus? Then question number 18. Placenta take over the function of corpus luteum is 12 week. Spasmodic dysmenorrhea is seen in some mucous fibroid. Question number 20. Most common cause of postpartum endometriosis is streptococcus. Question number 28. The commonest congenital anomaly of uterus is uterus unicorns. Question number 22. The normal chromosomal pattern in female is 46XX. Then Question number 23. The chromosomal pattern of Turner syndrome is 45 and X. Then question number 24. Turner syndrome is characterized by streak gonad. Question number 25. The clinical feature of Turner syndrome is are the following except normal breast. The next question, the chromosomal pattern of Rocky 10 Sky syndrome is 46XX. Then question number 27, the clinical feature of Rocky 10 Sky syndrome is the following except present vagina and uterus. Then question number 28, the uterus is developed from the Mullerian duct. Then question number 29, the separate uterus is formed as a result of non-reabsorptional of median sputum. Then question number 30, the second sexual character first to appear is the breast. Then question number 31, the usual age of menarche is 13 से 14 साल. The gonadotropic hormones is secreted by the pituitary basophil cell. LH cause all of the above: ovarian stretochroniasis, ovulation, luteinization, and granulosa and theca cell. Question number 34. The second meiotic division of ovum occur during fertilization. The normal mature ovum is haploid. Estrogen cause all of the above: develop the breast, proliferated charge of in the endometrium, disposition of glycogen in the vaginal epithelium. Then question number 37, the average during the menstrual cycle is 28 days. Then ovulation occur usually 14 days prior of the succeeding cycle. The earliest symptom of pregnancy is regularly menstruating. The woman is missing the period. Question number 40. The most sensitive pregnancy test is Radioraptor SC. Question number 41. The best method of diagnosis of valuable pregnancy is ultrasonography. Then question number 42. The precious method of estimation and gestational age or during the first trimester is measuring grown rump length. Then question number 43. Conjoined twin may result from incomplete division of embryonic disc. Then question number 44. The diagnostic feature of ectopic pregnancy are the following except double ring intrauterine sac. Question number 45. The clinical feature is threatened abortion include the following except size of uterus less than the period of amenorrhea. Then question number 46. The fetal component of placenta is chorion frodonosum. Then question number 47. It is the intravillous space of material blood is separated from the fetal by following except the material endothelium. Question number 48. Oxygen is transported to the fetal blood by diffusion. Next question is the routine antenatal checkup shall be at an interval of all of the above: 4 week till 28 week, 2 week till 36, 1 week till 40 weeks. Then question number 50. The antenatal women should have their blood test for all of the above: ABO and RH group, sexual transmitted infections, sugar. Then question number 51. Sonographic feature is completely mole are the following except presence of normal placenta tissue. Question number 52. The incomplete abortion is diagnosis if all have the above present. The cervical os is open, product of conception are felt in the uterus, Uterus is less than the period of amenorrhea. Then question number 53, incomplete abortion should be completed surgically. Normal female pelvis is gynecoid. Question number 55, the shortest diameter of plane of least pelvic dimension is posterior sagittal. Question number 56, the type of pelvic predispose and occipito-posterior position is anthropod. Question number 57, normal presentation is vertex. Engage the diameter of vertex present suboccipital bridgematic. 59, onset of labor is suspected by vaginal bleeding. Question number 60, progress of labor is assessed by all of the above: intensity of uterine contraction, dilatation of cervix, and descent of present part. Question number 61, first stage of labor lasts from onset of true labor pain to full dilatation of cervix. Question number 62, the last men's period is dated from first day of the last normal period. Question number 60, the breast examination is done in the both A and B, any supine position or sitting position. Then 64, the genital system develop from which embryonic structure? Embryonic plate. 65, which part of ovary come to contain the developing follicles? Cortex.